Hi everyone, Drini here and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about SPS again, just to see what price action has played out over the past couple of days. So if you watched the last video, we were talking about how we were forming a horizontal triangle right here. When we had a breakout right here, we had a technical target of around 67 cents. So this is the height of the triangle. We overlaid in the price. Look what happened. We met the target. So this is a perfect illustration of technical targets and what tends to happen when it gets met. Because as traders and investors, when they look at the particular pattern, everyone plays by the same rules. So they see the same technical targets exist. So you would have a price run up here. And because the target's already met, then it's up to the market to then decide what to do after. So most of the time, you see a little bit of consolidation after a target has been met, because once it hits it, a lot of people realize their profits during this short-term trade, and then you tend to see a price consolidation after that. Another thing to note here for SPS is, remember I was talking yesterday about when do you come in? So let's say you do want to purchase more SPS just to accumulate a little bit more. If you bought during the screen candle, you would have been slightly wrecked here, because again, a good entry point to come in is always wait for price to come back and rest on the support lines. And this is where you potentially make your purchase, not financial advice. Now that we've met our technical target, then what's next? Is there anything else that we need to highlight when it comes to SPS price action? So while we continue our way to meet this technical target of 73 cents, and price is also above the EMAs, so we continue our positive momentum here, I just wanted to highlight that not all is perfectly bullish, and I do want everyone to understand this, that it's very important to not just keep thinking things are going up. That's why I made this channel. So we call what we see. It doesn't matter whether it's bullish or bearish. We will call it out so that you know how to properly assess the situation and make your decisions accordingly. So one of the things that we also see is, while yes, we have a technical target of 73 cents because this is the target from the double bottom. We have also formed a head and shoulders, by the way. So this is another bullish sign. While we have two factors that come into play here that lead to positives, also, we have a golden cross. So that's 3 now. Also, we're above our EMAs. So that's 4 now. That's another bullish indicator that signifies that we will continue to go up over the short term at least. There is a bearish case, because if you look at the current price action, it's starting to form what we call an ascending wedge. So it will go up here, come down, and then come back up. But as it goes up, look at the price ranges. It's starting to narrow and narrow. Normally, this is a bearish pattern, but again, only if you start breaking down from this trend line. So once we start breaking down, let me draw it for you. So maybe we'll coil up a little bit more here, a little more here. But if you start breaking down and go here, then you know why. It's because we were forming this wedge and we would need some time to consolidate below before we continue moving forward. When we start to see ascending wedges, it's very similar to the broadening descending channel that I was talking about before. So the technical target for the ascending wedge tends to be the price where the wedge is its lowest. So it's around here, at around 55 cents. So in case we face this situation, then at least you know what to do. Otherwise, all the factors signal bullish continuation. So you have, again, I already mentioned the 4 things that we saw earlier. But again, let me repeat, just in case, if we fall from this trend line, then we do have some price targets that we can work for us to continue moving forward. And that's it. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.